Good morning, everybody. What we got going on today, we got to go from this vault with the 3-inch power all the way down there. We're going to 90 off, maybe 45, go up in, 90 up by that wall over there. Zach's getting everything moved out of the way. That's a plus. Other than this thing, we don't have a key to this thing, so we can't move it. We can work around it. We are in the Cat 308. Hi, Zach. Oh, what are you trying to hide for? You camera shy? This thing's kind of a piece. Look at this bucket. I don't know what happened to that. I didn't do it though. So let's start digging. Got a 2-inch conduit going in here as well for a cable or whatever. We're gonna blow out this corner and make all that work. While working around everything. So I'm going to load this out. Well, in the HYDREMA. That little thing's cool. The bucket will turn. With a bed. No, we got to bring that 2-inch conduit over here as well. That's on over there. So I'm trying to like blow that out a little bit. There's already conduit in the ground there, so I got to be careful. Smack the porta potty, someone will be in it. That wouldn't be funny. Or it would. I'm not. As long as I didn't get hurt, it would be funny. Oh, this machine's so jerky. Oh. Compared to the 245 I've been in. Everything's all janky and yeah. Be a noisy one, sorry. There's a storm crossing coming up, so I gotta be careful for that. All right, now I got to get up here, and this is where we're gonna stub out at. I don't know if you can see the pink line down there for the house service. Give us a little more room to work. Yeah, I did all these rain drains and concrete prep and storm sewer tie-ins, water. Okay. For free. Casey's getting that handled over there. I don't have a catch basin. No, I don't. I hate this bucket. I don't like to whine about machines because, you know, it's getting the job done. But, I mean, an hourglass shaped bucket, I guess is what you would call that. Upgrade right there. Pull that. Oh yeah, perfect. We like that. Alright, back from lunch and we are gonna keep digging. Well, this one, you gotta hit a button here on the left joystick and it switches between the thumb and the articulating. And it's like, I don't like that. I know, whine, bitch, I get it. Well, we're allowed to sometimes, right? Set that over yonder. Make sure I don't hit it. Save this gravel. All of it's got mud in it. What do you expect? It's winter time. But we got a water crossing coming up. We gotta pay attention for that. Now we got about 60 feet to go. If I just keep hogging dirt. No storm, no other crossing right here. I don't like this bucket. Woo! that's gonna wrap this one up for today. We got a power, Comcast, power, got a foot separation there, foot separation there. We're gonna leave that open so when they put the boxes, it'll wiggle and we have some play there. Let's get it all done. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment. See you next time.